lovely to see you again today. I'm sorry that I delayed posting new video for several months because I was busy. I embarked on new jobs, new projects, so I had less time than I used to. But anyway, because you are here with me now, so may I present you my lovely corner behind. I love it and I'm so proud of it. These are photos of me with my friends and family. It is designed by me, and also there's some photos of moments in the UK and EU. It was really reminiscing 2 years ago. I was struggling with my luggage. I couldn't decide which stuff I should bring to Bournemouth, which stuff I should live here. And this is crazy. I want to bring my entire room, but it's impossible because the courier offer us only a limited amount of weight, and I think that you are the same. So I want to share my experience because it's my experience and my friend's experience, so it is authentic and honest. I hope it helps. Regarding to food, I would say it's the noodle because we are Asian, and Asian Western cuisine is so different, and most of international Asian students find it a little bit difficult to get used to Western food. And initially, it may take you a bit of time to find the shops, the markets that sell Asian food and ingredient. So some packages of instant noodle I have for you for your breakfast and lunch. Paste, cubes of paste. For beef noodle, tom yum paste, you can find this thing in Asian markets as well. But like I said, it may take time for you to find those shop. And when you really craft for traditional food, you can put some cubes of paste in the boiled water, and you can have a quite delicious bottle of noodle. A bottle of pho in England costs you approximately £10. Very expensive, right? In the US and Australia, my friends told me that is slightly cheaper, but of course it's not as cheap as in Vietnam. And because you are students, so you couldn't dine out so often, just occasionally. So I think that some cubes of paste are useful for you. But what else? Valid condiments, prop mix, soy sauce, fish sauce. I think if you want to bring them, it's quite fine. But fish sauce and those kind of things are popular worldwide, so it's not very difficult to find those things in your new country. And regarding to shrimp paste and fish paste, we remember to check the regulation if you don't want to be busted. I remember the UK is not allowed you to bring dairy product or meat products, seafood, so it's kind of risky. But if you still want to risk this, because some friend of mine can bring those kind of paste to the UK. But if you are not lucky enough in the worst situation, you are busted by the officer, they require you to take everything out. It takes your time, and you have to pay the fine, and forbidden your name will be on the blacklist. So, just my opinion, you should not risk that. If you can find those things in Berlin. We have Dongsuan market. This is 100% like Vietnamese authentic market. The shrimp paste is authentic as well. In the UK, those kind of paste is not very authentic, but this is acceptable for you for your cook and eating. Similar to dry beef and dry chicken, you should not risk. But if you still want, you should prepare yourself some tricks or strategies to overcome the barriers of the custom. Clothing, winter jacket, I think is not really necessary. You can buy just 1 or 2 because it's cost space in your luggage, and you belong to September intake. In September, the weather is so nice. It's not very cold, it's warm, and so a cardigan, an overcoat or trench coat are enough for you. And you can find those kind of like clothing in H&M, Primark, Zara, New Look, ASOS, and because you are a student in the UK, you have lots of good deals and discount. You can download the app Uni Days or buy some kind of totem card because you're a student, so you have lots of benefits for shopping, so don't worry about that. And another point is, if you want to better integrate to the local style, you should save your money to go shopping in those countries, because Western people, European people, they prefer neutral color, black, white, beige, but Asian only we prefer bright color, red or pink. So if you want to look more like local people, you can go shopping there, which is more trendy and suitable for the style there. Similar to sock and boots, you can prepare yourself just 1 or 2 pairs for early days, and you can go shopping, save your money. Next, move on to beauty and healthcare. Masks, of course, because we are still under the pandemic, so masks are must. Hand sanitizer, I think local stores, they restock those kind of items already, but you can have few bottles for the sake of your health. And personal prescription, remember this point. In the UK, if you don't have the personal prescription for some certain types of illnesses, they will not sell you the medication, so you should prepare yourself personal prescription. And if you have a short sizing, it is necessary to have a backup glasses. In some case, you step and you may break your glasses. The total fee for new pair of glasses in the UK range from £150 to £200. This is crazy, but it's true. It's really expensive, and the procedure is for me is kind of complicated. You have to book an appointment and you recheck with the optician, and you have your new glasses, but the appointment, because you have to book, you cannot rush into their clinic anytime as you want. So yeah, it's more complicated, and you prepare, you have a new one in your home country. And moisturizing cream, because our skin, when our skin exposed to the cold weather, it will be getting dry and cracked. So moisturizing cream is essential, but you can only have I think the average bottle is quite fine, because it's lighter for you, and when you check in your luggage, they will throw it hard. So in some situation, those bottles will be broken, and the cream inside will squeeze out. If you don't want to have the feeling like me of wasting those cream, you can buy the average bottle. And moisturizing cream you can find in Boots, Superdrug in England, or we have the Body Shop, and you can shopping online, like I said. Amazing, very convenient, and they support the delivery very well. Regarding to cookware, I would suggest you buy a mini cooker, because you need rice to survive, but you don't have to cook for the entire family, so you don't need to buy a big one. You can buy a small mini cooker of Panasonic. This is enough for you. About saucepans, dishes, bowl, chopsticks, you can find everything in Wilko if you live in England. But you can prepare yourself just 1 or 2 bowls, for example, 1 or 2 pairs of chopsticks or spoons, forks, things like that for your early days. And saucepan you can buy in Wilko as well, and in Amazon or in the supermarket such as Aldi, Lidl in England. I remember I bought a set of 3 saucepans with approximately £10 in Aldi, I remember, or less. And I bought a Teflon frying saucepan in Amazon with £10, but very high quality. And there's just one thing I want to share with you, because not so few can settle in early days. You have to move your house, so just minimize
the number of stuff, heavy stuff as possible. In some case, you have to move your house. It is more convenient if you just have light and small stuff such as clothes. And if you're lucky enough in your house, your former flatmates will leave you some like beddings or cookers, saucepan. You don't have to buy, and you can join the student association of your location. In Bournemouth, we have Bournemouth Vietsoc. People pass stuff, use stuff with cheap price, and in some cases for free. Like when I left Bournemouth, I left kettle, cooker, anything of me for other students with cheap price and even for free if you want to save your budget. Book, because most of your time you will read ebook, and in the library is amazing. They have quite selection of curated books, so there's no need to bring anything, but you can bring your favorite novels, pocket dictionary or electronic dictionary, because you may have the exam and you're not sure that you master all the vocabulary, so a pocket dictionary is quite useful. Traditional dress, áo dài, hanbok, Chinese traditional dress, because you have some cultural exchange events and you'll be the king or queen if you dress up the traditional outfit and you shine like a diamond. And I remember you can take photos as well. I remember when I was in Rome in Italy, I saw a group of Chinese students. They dressed the traditional dress and they took a picture with it, with the background of Rome, which is very interesting. Yeah. Thank you for having me today. I'm happy to have your support. Please leave me the comment and subscription. I wish you a very successful journey ahead. I'm sure for 100% that it will be exciting and experiential. Now, goodbye. See you in the next video. Love you.